What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Glad y'all are tuning into the Corvette here, and we are doing a detail for one of my buddy's cars. He has a C8 Stingray Corvette, and we're going to do an engine bay detail and just a basic wash for the exterior. So I'm going to film that. Hopefully it makes a quick, cool little video of just a time lapse, sort of kind of just me washing the car, basically. So I haven't done a car wash video on the channel in a minute since I had mine, and I think it's time to do another one. So hopefully y'all enjoy it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you do enjoy the content on the channel, guys. I'm going to bring y'all stuff and continue to do so. So I appreciate y'all. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. But I'm just waiting for him to basically show up, and then we'll go ahead and back it into the driveway and go ahead and start the badging. So, all right, guys, so I'm going to show y'all what my setup is as far as the detailing stuff goes. Very beautiful outside. It's in Texas, San Antonio. It's about 65 degrees. Feels pretty good. So, all right, guys, so here you go. Here is my setup here that I have. It's a Cat 1800 PSI pressure washer. I have the hose line hooked up to my water softener there, and then the foam cannon that I have here is the MJJC Foam Cannon Pro. This is a later model, but this one has been pretty good for me. I think they have a newer one that's out, but you'll see the foam action in a second, guys. And like I said, here is the foam, or not the foam, but the pressure washer handle gun that I have. I do have the long one, but I don't like it because it's so long, so we bought this one off Amazon, and it's smaller, and as you can see, works pretty good. So all right, looks like the car's here, and we're about to start. Alright guys, so there's the completed detail. As you can see, it's very shiny, very clean. Hopefully the camera's picking it up. I know the sun's coming from that direction, so it might not look perfect, but you can kind of see it there. The glow and the shine. Man, look at that. That is clean. Super clean. Alright guys, so we got the car up on the race ramps. I didn't film putting the car up on it, but you've seen videos probably where that's happened before. But basically his side splitter, side skirt, it was a little loose under there on this last bolt that was basically like right here. And I put two more right there, these two, to try to make it more snug. And I think it is, because it's not going anywhere. So he can roll with that for a little bit, see if that works. Should. And we can always patch it up, put more stuff to fix it. But that's pretty much what it looks like. It's looking sick with the detail, engine bay detail, and the fixer-upper. Alright guys, so that's pretty much his video. It's off the race ramps and he's about to head out. But as you can see, we fixed a little side skirt and then got the engine bay detail and the body detail. So the car is looking crazy shiny, crazy good. Let me go into the sunlight and you can kind of see it a little bit better as it's in the sunlight. Shining, shining, shining. Alright, so we are going to have another front splitter put on and an air filter for the back. So we're probably gonna be seeing this car again very soon, hopefully, and we're gonna get some more content with it. So y'all stay tuned. All right guys, so don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you do enjoy the content on the channel. Hope y'all enjoyed the video, and she's looking beauty right there. All right guys, till the next video, peace guys.